All right, Mark, thanks for that update. Day 2 of jury selection begins this morning in the Drew Peterson trial.
Anita Padilla is covering the story for us. She's in Joliet this morning, where attorneys just got done talking. Anita.
Hi, you know what? You would think that this is going to be one long ordeal, trying to pick out a jury of Drew Peterson's peers who haven't seen any of the coverage, haven't seen that made-for-TV movie. But according to Joel Brodsky and the other attorney on the legal defense team, Steve Greenberg, they think things are moving along very nicely. In fact, they think they might just wrap this whole thing up by the end of the day. Now, earlier this morning, just a short while ago, both sides arrived at the courthouse. Of course, the prosecution in this, Mr. Glasgow, he arrived in the courthouse. He did not comment. He walked right in. But, of course, Drew Peterson's legal defense team, they always stop and talk, and they talked a little bit about the selection process. They said that right now they've got a very diverse group of jurors, 8 of them, 3 women, 5 men, from very different walks of life. And they say that these jurors say that they haven't really watched a whole lot of coverage, so they're very pleased with what they've got right now. As far as Drew Peterson, he's playing an active role in choosing who's going to choose his fate.
I think he was very pleased with the way that jury selection has been going, but he's paying rapt attention, and he's obviously taking copious notes during jury selection and giving us his input, which has been very helpful in helping to pick this jury.
Joel Brodsky says that, picking out a jury is not an exact science. It's actually very difficult to do. You only have a few minutes to ask questions, and then you have to make a decision. He says Drew Peterson is playing a very good role in that because he knows his community. He knows what area is, the socioeconomic changes. So you might wonder, who's in, who's out on these 8 people? Well, we know among the in is a Polish woman who celebrated her birthday in court yesterday. And then there's a letter carrier who said that he believes that the United States has the best justice system in the world. But there are a lot of people who did not make the cut, and those are people who admitted that they had watched that Drew Peterson movie, the Untouchable movie, which they were instructed not to watch any coverage by the judge, so they were immediately dismissed. And then there were people who said they outright thought that Drew Peterson killed his 3rd wife, Kathleen Savio. Reporting live from the Will County Courthouse, Anita Padilla, Fox Chicago News. Back to you.
Thanks, Anita.